Hey guys, what's up? Abhijit here and welcome to my YouTube channel Mumbai Musafir. Today I am gonna talk about the world's tallest Shiv statue. The world's tallest Shiv statue, measuring 351 feet, is being constructed near Srinathji Temple, Nathdwara, near Udaipur city in Rajasthan, India. Idol maker Naresh, who has previously made many big and tall idols of Lord Hanuman, has taken up this challenge to make the world's tallest Shiv statue. The 351 feet tall structure is now ready and the making of idol is in progress. This massive structure is visible easily from a distance of about 5 to 7 kilometers. The length of the Lord Shiva's face would be around 70 feet. This initiative for the massive task has been taken by the Miraj Group. The deadline for completion of this project is 1st December 2018. There would be two lifts of 74 feet each, using which the devotees can climb up to the neck of the statue and worship Lord Shiva. This entire project is being constructed in a total area of 6,75,000 square feet, of which Lord Shiva's idol itself is of 27,000 square feet. There would also be a herbal garden terrace spread across an area of 15,300 square feet. Adjoining this Shiva statue, children's garden and 1.3 kilometer jogging track is also being laid. There would also be parking space for devotees and a 300 feet track for the devotees to worship Lord Shiva. About 2,200 ton of steel and 1,800 ton of iron is being used to construct this massive structure along with RCC cement. The Trishul of Lord Shiva stands tall at 315 feet. According to idol maker Naresh, some eco-friendly technology is being used to make this idol, which is similar to the technique used to make the Statue of Liberty. Naresh has made the world's tallest Hanuman statue and his family is into idol making since past 3 generations. Many of the idols on the Delhi-Jaipur highway are made by his family. Naresh is originally from Rajasthan but now stays in Gurugram since past 10 years. Wish that this tall statue of Lord Shiva gets completed soon so that I can show you some of the fresh footages of finished structure. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have really liked this video, then do hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Till then, this is Abhijit signing out.